How's it going, everyone? Look what I got my hands on. My first ever ET pop. Pop Movies ET 1252 Elliot and ET. Here's the box, everyone. This looks really cool. This is a common pop. Right here you can see the others that's coming out with the set. I think I'm going to pick up ET with flowers or ET in robe to go along with this one. This is super cool. Right here is the side. Got the cool artwork in the back. Right here is the bottom. I'm assuming this is not going to be a grill. I'm assuming this is going to be extremely overly produced. Let's take it out of the box. Take a closer look at it. Alright, one thing I did want to point out is that this is the 40th anniversary for the movie. That's pretty cool. I don't see anywhere else on here though where it says 40th anniversary. They should put that in more locations. Here we are. It comes in this clamshell. It comes in two different pieces. Right here is the pop. Wow, this is weird. So it looks like it's glued on a base. Cool, cool. Alright, so we're going to start off on this one. Let's start off on the head. The head does not turn. I guess it does turn. The head does turn. That's so cool. Here's the bicycle. E.T. Got the little basket he's in. You can see the basket kind of goes... Yeah, he fits inside the basket there. This is super cool. Now down here you can see they're using the Jurassic Park style base. This seems to be a new thing that they are doing. See if I need to put my fingers behind this to get the focus. You guys can kind of see what's going on there. This is really cool. I really do like the way they did the tires on this. This is almost like a pop ride. They could have made this into a pop ride if they really wanted to. They probably could have added on something else, like a base to this, and made this into a pop ride. Because yeah, this is definitely a different type of pop I've never seen before. Maybe this one will not be overly produced because of how hard this one could be to make. I mean, it goes into such detail. This is cool. Let's take a closer look at this in a 3D point of view outside in the nice sunny weather. See y'all soon.